When was the last time you were in a room without a screen? Not walking through, actually present in a space where no device could reach you. For most of us, that room doesn't exist anymore. Let's change that. Our homes used to have natural boundaries. The phone was in the kitchen. The TV was in the living room. Now, every room is every room. Your bedroom is your office, is your entertainment center, is your anxiety factory. The fix is simple. Designate one physical space as tech-free. Your dining room, your bedroom, even just a reading chair in the corner. The rule is absolute. No phones, no tablets, no laptops cross that threshold. What happens in that space? Conversation, rest, actual presence. Your brain starts to associate that physical location with peace. It becomes a refuge, not because you've escaped technology, but because you've created a boundary. This isn't about being anti-technology. It's about being pro-human. Humans need spaces that aren't optimized for engagement. We need rooms that don't demand anything from us. Pick one room. Make the rule. Tell your family. The silence isn't about what's missing. It's about what becomes possible when the noise stops.